if I can start, is one thing is that, of course, Slovenia is a small country. We do have a lot of researchers, but maybe they are not all very visible. And therefore, if we want to have the best ones, we, of course, need to open the doors. But there is another perspective to this, and this is the diversity that can bring innovative ideas. And this is actually the reason why we are opening the doors for international researchers to come and join us. So we don't want to hear anymore how Slovenians are leaving the country and they are going to the promised lands where they can create the careers. We want to be that land. We want to be the land of career making, not only for the Eastern Europe or lower developed parts of the world, but also for the Western world. And in these 5 years, I hope that on our next meeting, when we will be showing you our progress, that besides me, there will be also colleagues that will be part of InnoRenew, will be giving you first hands on the responses why they came here and why Koper and Slovenia is the environment they want to be part of.
Well, definitely important. Our program is based on the international cooperation, of course, in the collaboration. And especially we were discussing as well, especially for teaming, this is a collaboration that goes beyond the normal exchanges. It's really, and this is what we always define teaming, is a marriage. It's really a joint venture that is established with the other partners. And in that sense, the collaboration is on the equal footing as well, because the advanced partners as well are learning, and there is a win-win situation. So this is very interesting, and this is the value of the projects, where in fact 1 + 1 is equal 3, is not equal 2 simply. So, and then this is where we base in fact all our actions on this collaboration.